Your company must have an online store capable of taking advantage of the massive growth in online transactions and purchases in the past couple of years. And having the right software that can help you build that fantastic store for your business can significantly impact the products and services you want to offer. In today's video, we will show you how your business can benefit from having a tool like BigCommerce, a top e-commerce platform that lets small and medium-sized businesses set up online stores, do SEO, and get hosting, marketing, and security services for growing industries all over the world. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. BigCommerce is proud to consider itself a global leader in providing solutions for businesses of any size. No matter your company's industry, you will benefit from a flexible SaaS platform that will make you part of the new era of e-commerce. BigCommerce meets your fashion business's site experience and personalization while presenting extensive catalogs, sales channels, and customer expectations. BigCommerce employs handlebars and JavaScript as development languages, as well as pre-built WordPress and Drupal connections to help you create the most satisfactory retail experience on the web. Besides, BigCommerce provides the tools, resources, and experience you need to take your idea to the next level. For example, you can create unique customer experiences using native customer group segmentation and more than 70 promotion rules, and then modify them by connecting platform data to any third-party tool in your ecosystem. Additionally, BigCommerce collaborates closely with Facebook, Amazon, Google, PayPal, Square, and Instagram to guarantee that your fashion businesses have early access to new sales capabilities across all channels. As a result, you'll be the first to hear about new features, such as checkout on Instagram, which is only accessible to US businesses and allows customers to buy your products without ever leaving the platform. Using BigCommerce, you can develop a brand-specific web store for your food and beverage company. You won't have to compromise on speed, security, or scalability to interface with your current e-commerce solutions. If your site is built with WordPress, Drupal, React, or a custom framework, the user experience is vital. So the platform works with the industry's top agencies and developers to ensure great commerce experiences. Plus, you can use BigCommerce's POP partners may quickly sync retail sales, inventory, and money. Additionally, massive shipping discounts, complex shipping regulations like LTL freight control, and multi-warehouse third-party logistics providers are all available through BigCommerce's pre-built interfaces and partnerships. Business credit card processing rates for SaaS e-commerce enterprises. Braintree, a PayPal subsidiary, also offers no-hassle card rates. Braintree also supports Apple Pay and Visa checkout. Your online B2B buying experience must adapt to today's consumers and enterprises. It's not like buying a thing from a manufacturer. Instead, modern buyers expect more from B2B transactions than before. BigCommerce allows you to create attractive site designs for large catalogs, with customer and pricing segmentation down to the SKU level. BigCommerce can be used to provide precise product data to all of your e-procurement platforms. You are secured against unauthorized access, DDoS attacks, and PCI compliance, as well as best-in-class uptime and DDoS protection. To overcome operational challenges, leverage automated customer and pricing segmentation, punch-out, purchase orders, net payment periods, user roles, and links with essential ERP, OMS, PIM, and CRM systems. Did you see how you can maximize the benefits of an online platform like this? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy BigCommerce services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other business types can use BigCommerce to optimize their services and operations. With fully configurable catalogs, lightning-fast site speed, and native faceted search, you can give your consumers precisely what they want without sacrificing security or scalability. You can also personalize your catalog and product page so that buyers can create their custom auto component bundles. Auto part manufacturers typically have hundreds of thousands of SKU and option sets available to their customers. You can reduce choice overload by using faceted search to get your clients to the product they want rapidly. If you run into difficulty or are unsure how to put your marketing idea into a campaign, the platform's strategic account services team can project manage your initiatives and resolve any issues, ensuring that you stay on schedule to meet your important business objectives. BigCommerce provides you with industry-leading e-commerce platforms and services optimized for hemp and hemp-derived CBD commerce. In addition, you will benefit from advanced SEO tools, single-page checkout, and abandoned cart recovery, all of which will help you empower your business. Additionally, you can create a stunning, personalized site without using code or hiring experts using Page Builder, a drag-and-drop tool for creating and managing site content. You can select the optimal CBD payment solution for your business and pay no platform transaction costs compared to the competition. Build amazing e-commerce sites for any business type using BigCommerce by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.